Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of hairstyles and that are so easy and simple. All you require is some hair accessories like the rubber band, some of the fancy pins, comb, and you can just make beautiful hairstyles at your own home. You don't want to spend much of your money at expensive salons. You can create different hair looks out of just few easy simple steps. So stay tuned and watch the video properly. We are going to show you how we can make use of some internal twist and the classical braids and convert them into some beautiful unique hair buns as apparent on your screens. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step and you follow the each step in a proper manner in a sequence so that our hairstyle will become so perfect. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical braids that we usually make and we are going to convert them into the cool buns. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused and follow the each step in a sequential manner. Let's move further with another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the long length and the medium length hair. You just have to take the hair strands from the two different sides and fix them together using a rubber band. After that, you just have to give them the internal twist. Then make the two divisions of your scalp and fix them properly using the rubber band. You just have to actually create the two ponytails out of the division that you have created. Once you're done with this, just comb the hair properly and give them in a zigzag manner an internal twist. You can make use of this hair tool or even you can do it without this tool. Now the hair from the two ends is to be converted into the classical braid as apparent on your screens. I am just building the braid from the one side. Once I am done with it, I just have to repeat the same process from the another side. See how I'm just trying to build it in a proper position. The classical braid is so easy and simple to make and I know everyone is able to just make this one. Then give it an internal twist as shown here. It looks perfectly good and nice. Just give it a try. Our bun is ready. This looks so cool and easy. You just have to give the another twist so that you can fix the rest of the tails as shown here. Just decorate it with some of the hairpins that are fancy. Let's now move further with another hairstyle. You just have to first make a ponytail. After that, you just have to take this fancy hairpin and you just have to give it a twist and convert this ponytail into a hair bun. This activity is very simple. It's very less time consuming. You can just make it in just few seconds and you are done. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking the rubber band and I'm just trying to make the two divisions out of my scalp. After that, you just have to fix the one side that we have covered earlier with the rubber band using the another one. This type of the activity is very simple. It's very less time consuming. It's very easy. All you need is just some of the pins, some rubber bands and you are done. Difficulty level is very easy. It's best suitable for the medium length hair as well as for the long length hair. You can definitely go for this one. You can keep your bun as it is or you can even decorate it using the fancy pin. It depends on the need, what type of the look you want to create. Thank you for watching our videos.